Hey Tucson, this is Patrick Chamberlain with the Continental Realty team, and here is the tip of the week. What are the risks associated with buying a house with a non-permitted addition? In Tucson, there's a ton of homes that have additions that were not permitted, whether someone built in their patio or closed in their carport to make another living room. So if you buy a house with a non-permitted addition, the first risk that you have is that you don't know the quality of the build. Because it wasn't permitted, it most likely didn't go through the necessary inspections to make sure it's up to code. It could have been a licensed contractor who did the work, or it could have just been the homeowner. Secondly, is that the house may not appraise. The appraiser's going to go out to the home, take a look at it, and compare to what the county has. If there's a discrepancy, the appraiser is going to use the information that the county has on the house. And third, the county will find out that there's a non-permitted addition. They have their ways. And if they find out, they're going to charge you penalties until it's corrected, or even worse, they can tell you to knock it down. And fourth, is if something happens to the house and it was deemed to have started in the non-permitted addition, the home insurance company may not pay out on the claim. And so all the damages done could be paid for out of pocket by you. Now, just because the house doesn't have permits for the addition doesn't mean you can't get them. You can get a permit after the fact. And that's the only way to eliminate these risks. But it is a costly process and it takes a lot of time. You're going to have to get a home inspector out to the house, and you're going to have to open the walls up to show them all the plumbing, all the wiring, just everything to make sure it's up to code. And if they find out it's not up to code, now you're hiring a contractor to do the work to get it up to code. And then you have to go through inspections again to get it finalized. Plus, the permits are going to cost more because they were done after the fact. So these are the risks associated with buying a house without a permit. So sellers and homeowners, if you're doing an addition, please get a permit. It'll save you money and it'll make it a lot easier to sell your house. If you guys have any questions that you want me to cover in next week's video, please comment below. And as always, if you guys have any needs in real estate, whether you're buying, selling, or investing, please give me a call at 520-345-4947. Thanks guys, see you next week.